One eternity later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
You're mad, I'm back. Big mad, he's mad, she's mad, big sad.
Okay, so before we get started, today's video is sponsored by Quarantine. Tanoniad, please Tanoniad. I'm gonna intend for wear this the rest of my life. Cause everybody want bungo upside some other people, cause Tanoniad, no have nothing out of do for them. Just tan on the yard. Cause me not plan for tan on my yard the rest of my life, isn't it?
No.
Ease up off of that. Tan on your yard and that make things difficult for people.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, we could get started with the video. Alright, so as you might have seen from the the title of the video, today I try like bleach my hair with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. I mean, I see other people do this already, but me personally, well, me did it already, but it never really turned out as good as me did want, and I don't really have a picture when you do it, because the first time I do it, it kind of like make my hair look like just lighter, but I see other people like do this and they get kind of a blonde look to it, so I will try put in as long as I can, how much I can bear, because me know said this right now. First time I do it, I burn the shit out of my hair like. My hair feel like it catch a fire and just start sweating and shit. I'm like, yo, couldn't bother with this, I'm just wash it out of my head fast, cause like this shit burn. I was like, I'm not even no girl cream in here, my hair and shit, so yeah, let me say her, here, yeah. We just say here, whatever. Anyway, so what we're gonna need, baking soda.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Yo, by the way, man, not even know so I do this, so she might cost me, so yeah, kind of protective of my hair from all the certain things she know I'm doing, but anyway, you know something I gotta listen, cause
Now I do what I want. We say, now I do what I want.
yeah. But anyway, we're gonna need some baking soda.
Baking soda.
I can't sponsor the video if you know it, because my advertising I can't sponsor the video. Hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, I think it's a one stronger one though. Yeah, I think it's a one stronger one.
Okay.
Hydrogen peroxide. And have some baby oil. Not for the reason you think we don't mind tan, isn't it? But this is supposed to go in like this to kind of like hold the mixture together on the hair, so yeah. And obviously, I'm gonna have something for mix, isn't it? So I kind of like look a mixing bowl and put things in here, like hair color stuff, yeah. And I'm gonna need a shower cap to like put it on here, keep the heat in so you can like fry the hair. Basically that's it. Yeah, and I comb it out, so yeah, I'm not really like afraid for comb here, because I'm afraid I'm here, because curly and things I kinda hard to come out, but yeah, whatever. It's still better than half an dry head girl on Instagram still, so. Yeah, brother, it's a funny thing, when people hear better than, but yeah, we're not really getting at that still, but yeah, you see the point, so let's get into this. Start combing out this thing now. Yo, I mean, this whole quarantine thing kind of rough for people and thing. Mirror must look away, I'm not even going mirror.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna just comb this out and I'll just kind of speed this process up because this is going to take too long, so yeah.
2,000 years later.
I think I kind of comb out now because yeah, I'm afraid of this. I mean, my hair kind of like grew long now, like longest ever been, like as reach nose now. The longest hair ever been in my life, so that's new. So basically now, what we have now? Baking soda, right?
Baking soda.
piece of old iron pan this frig. Yo, from with him, I'm not sleeping, so like kind of like whole time I play GTA and stuff, so put some in the plate. Me know me have probably mix enough because I know so my head big, so.
That's what she said.
So, I don't know if you can see it from myself, because me can't go to adjust the camera. Alright, see it? I'll go past this. I mean, the reason why I think it's better, like if you use this, instead of use the bleach itself for them give a hair store and mix it with peroxide. I don't know, but I think it kind of damage your hair more. This kind of look a bit more safer instead of not really full of enough chemicals. It's just like basic baking soda, basic baking soda. It's just baking soda and peroxide, isn't it? So, cause me don't know the whole but something them people are putting that, isn't it? So, can't really to go with that. I know I use too much either. Throw some of the baby oil in it. Remember the baby oil just kind of hold the mixture together, and so your hair not really dry out. So I look at oil to it, cause this definitely going to dry out the hair. Like any other bleach, it going to dry out the hair. I think that's why it's changed the color. Get some of this. Also, so when I use this now, kind of, yeah, cause you know when I put vinegar in the baking soda, what happen? Yeah, that will happen. So I throw some of the peroxide in it. We mix it all. Yeah, and you have to try like making it like a little paste, like this. No, we can't really show it cause my throw it like this. But this need like a little bit more baking soda in it now. So just put a little bit more baking soda in it now. What the hell? Mother custom for the baking soda, so I don't know something. We all know how Jamaican mothers are. So yeah, so you're supposed to end up with something like this. See? Will I just dash it on me? Oh god. Yeah, so it's supposed to end up with something like this, a little bit of a Yo, you know what the word in name? Consistency. Yes, that word. Yeah, whatever. I saw 5 people I'm going to start chat when I go to school for how long. This, and then I'm just going to put this on my hair now. Let's start it. Yeah man, alright man. Alright, so as you can see, this brush now work. I'm just gonna dip my hand in there. But please wear gloves if you not do it, but me not really business, you see me so? Yeah, just make sure so now wear gloves. Ugh, this should feel weird.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm putting on my hair now, my hair feel heavy. Right now, I just put on a short cap. I'll leave it on for like 45 minutes. I mean, the last time I only leave 30 minutes. I just hope so my hair not drop off. Cause yo, if my hair drop off, I ball, I go ball literally. I'm gonna go ball. I can't hear you. You know, like when I open my soda, I got my hair in my hair right now. Put on a short cap. Leave it for that time, you know. So I keep that on for like 30 to 45 minutes. Just leave it like this in the cap, make it sweat. And then at 45 minutes time, come back, share the result.
12 o'clock midnight.
Alright, so time up now, 40 minutes up now. I don't really know if it work. I mean, it worked the last time. I don't really see nothing. I don't really take off the bag or anything yet. So I take it off and actually see what happened to me. If it don't work, then I have to just end up by a bleach. Yo, I don't see no difference. Alright, so basically, I take it off, I check it, it never really did look like how I want it to look. It didn't really work this time. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I go wrong with it. So right now, I take a shower, wash this out, and probably try this again and see if it will work the second time. If not, two things might happen. It wouldn't work, or my hair just drop off on my head. Alright guys, so basically it kinda work. Yes, so I'm going on my bone right now. If you look on the difference, it kinda lighter. Yeah, but alright, like this side you can see it like here, you can kinda see it. So yeah, basically I use different bleach try to get it lighter because me can't bother with this, but if you feel bored, I want to try and just like want to lighten the color in your hair, you can try this, but promise, well, can't guarantee you. So like if you go outside, you definitely going to see a big difference. Like, but when you put the shower cap on your head, like probably try go outside, make sun catch your hair, make you kind of sweat more, because I think that's the problem I did face. Like I never really have you sweat enough, like sweat long enough, cause like 40 minutes. And I never like the real bleach, cause me know say if I like the real bleach and you leave that there for 40 minutes, me would have probably come out white or probably drop off. If I go outside, I will see it. But right now, hardly I see it. Like some parts of it I really notice, cause yeah. But definitely, if I go outside, somebody definitely going to notice say, hey, here look lighting. But nobody now go outside, so yeah, but just now. So yeah, that's it. That's that. That wraps up the video for today. I start like make more video. I know I always tell me that I'm gonna actually do it, but yeah, I do it because yeah, probably gonna miss me or something. I don't know if gonna miss me. Gonna miss me? I don't know. Yeah. Again, thank y'all guys for watching. Peace.